So I put some lights on the window. I always decorate outside as well because it's nice for people outside to get to enjoy your lights as well. Then this is the fireplace. So I just keep my Christmas candles, one in the actual fire and then a couple on top. And then we've got like a, what do you call that? Like a garland across the top of the fireplace. The candelabras are there all the time anyway. And then there's kind of like a white poinsettia garland along the top there. This was just really glittery with some red flowers and gold baubles. And I stuck a couple of robins on as well just to really festive it up. This is our like mini tree. This is the one that we had in our first home and we just can't bear to get rid of it, so we stick it at this corner. There's little man's advent calendar. This is a great advent calendar, I absolutely love it. So there's a Christmas pudding here that just stops the door from like jamming into the tree. But then you can see we've got like a red sparkly skirt, and then these are all our original baubles that we had in our first house. Oh, the star's fallen off. Put that back on. Deary me. This is the dining room. So I've kind of half laid the table. It does look a bit better than this when it's finished. This is the sideboard. This is like a Santa snow globe. We got that from TK Maxx, I think last year. And then this is like a vintage Merry Christmas sign that belonged to my nan and granddad. That's Dolphy's Santa key that he'll have on Christmas Eve, and my favourite Avon Reed diffuser. And then I've stuck, these are really old and they really need to go in the bin, but I can't bear to part with them. These used to hang on our lights in our first house, but we've stuck them on here. I always have like flame effect bulbs in these candles. There's one there and one over there. They're there all the time anyway. And then Ben stuck this big bow on this chair. There's some paper chains there. And then I picked up these robin lights. Ben absolutely hates them. I think they're absolutely adorable. There's actually 5 of them. So I've just stuck them on the top there. Along with this garland with bells on that was also from the range. So yeah, Sal doesn't like these like acrylic robin lights. What do you think? Do you like them or are they horrible? And then we have just a bit of festive sprig by the gramophone. And then I always put a bit of holly over this big mirror and a sprig of holly on this clock. And then on the chandelier we've got like, these are, Ben could have took strings off them. These are just from the range. They're actually hanging like wreath decorations. I don't know if you can even see that. They're like hanging holly wreath decorations that we got from the range. And then I've also got these sparkly stars that were also from the range, and they've got like these dangly things on, so I thought that kind of matched in with the chandelier. So that's that, and there's 3 of those hung on there. Oh god, there's loads of mess in here. Dulcie's emptied the pegs out. Our main tree is in here. This is what it looks like. We put it in here because we love the way like all the lights reflect off the windows, so it looks like you've got loads more lights than what you actually have. And then this is where we put all our best baubles. So some new ones for this year are these, which I think were from Cook's Garden Centre, and these, which were also from Cook's Garden Centre. Oh, Ben got these from TK Maxx, which are like these sparkly Father Christmas lights. And which other ones? Oh, and these ones, which were also from TK Maxx, which are these big like iridescent gold glitter numbers. So yeah, that's kind of what our tree looks like. And then we've got some like glass deers and stuff in there as well. And Ben's a big fan of these kind of, oh, he's new too this year. We thought he was really sparkly and he was the only one left, and we felt a bit sorry for him, so he's new as well this year. And then, yeah, all our nice glass ones go on here. So this is where the best baubles go, because we can shut the door behind us and nobody can get to the tree. I just have a little Father Christmas. I do normally have lights around the part of this conservatory, but we haven't done it this year. And then just on the top of Dolph's like little toy unit, I've just got this, which I got from Sainsbury's, I believe, last year. That does light up, and it's like a Father Christmas in his sleigh with all his reindeers going up into the air. I just thought that was really cute. So yeah, it's nice to use as like a table centre on Christmas Day with Christmas dinner. And then these are ancient. These are vintage, like Babycham deers, I suppose, or they're just vintage deers. They were Ben's nan's. The candle bridge we've had for years, and then that's normally in here anyway. And just a few Christmas candles that I always pack away with the Christmas tree, so it smells really nice. So this is kind of what it looks like from here. That's looking down. Dove! Dove! Hello, Baba! We've got a projector outside this year as well that I got from the range. It's like a snowflake projector, and it projects like falling snow onto the house, so you could probably just see that outside the window going. It's actually a bit annoying because I think there's like someone with a torch out there. This is pretty much what you can see. This is my Christmas room. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye!